hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And this is take 2 because I confoozled myself. Alright, so I went Scaventure. I went Scaventure on Wednesday because that's the day my daughter comes and picks me up and takes me Scaventure because that's the day that Tuesday Morning gets their truck, which they haven't had one in 2 weeks because of the holidays. But the girl that puts up the craft supplies doesn't work until Thursday. So Tuesday Morning got their stuff on Wednesday, but wasn't putting it out until Thursday. And today is Thursday, but I didn't go today. I went yesterday, which was Wednesday. See, I got it that time. So what did I get at Tuesday Morning? Well, it was the beginning of the year. Like I said, they never put their stuff out until Thursday, and I didn't want to go over there and pick through it today because I went yesterday. So the nice lady who runs the store, she brought the baskets out to the back for me so that I could look at them. And she told me to go ahead and go through them because she doesn't know anything about any of that stuff. And I'm more than welcome to go through it because she knows I need to get my video put up. So I went through 2 baskets, me and the Amy. We went through 2 baskets, 2 big shopping baskets full of stuff from the Tuesday Morning. And it was all the stuff, well, I'll be honest with you, a lot of it was Christmas, but you'll see that in a second. So hold on, so here's the video.
And some artsy, these are metal keys in the antique silver for $149, 221-9398. Let's go over and look at the other one. Oh, all right, so we got these in as well. These are Maggie Holmes stamps for $2.99, 2187877, and they have this one with a peacock here for $2.99, 2187878. We've got some 6x6 papers. This one's Fashionista from Echo Park for $2.99, 221-3610. We've got a Crafter's Companion stamping platform with a 6x6 grid for $9.99, 2220711. Let's see. We have some DIY shop chalkboard tags for $1.99, 2225839. And they're still kind of running through the Christmas, getting it out, you know, running it out. So, as you guys can see, there's all kinds of stuff in here. We've got some Maggie Holmes mini tassels. This is an 18 count in blue, teal, and pink. 2187873 for $2.99. What do we got over here? That's polymer clay. Now, I'm seeing some other pads in here, so I'm going to go ahead and take a look, and I'll be letting you guys know. Alright, so I got American Crafts colored pencil set, 48 pieces on this one, $9.99, 2214495. Alright, let me take a look. Well, I'll live.
Okay.
Alright, so we have
somebody's coming in tomorrow to put the rest of it out, but, since you always come in here, I figured I'd pull it out so you can find
Thank you, nice lady.
Are you finding anything?
Yeah, I got all kinds of goodies.
Okay.
Alright, so this is from Artsy. These are embossed antique keys, $1.99, 2219401. They say laugh, believe, dream, love, hope, live. And then I found this. This is Art Supply Basics 4-set metallic acrylic paint set. It is $8.99, 2216186. And the 4 colors in here are gold, silver, bronze, and lamp black. And then they got the sticky thumb rounds back in for $1.99. These are the adhesive foam dots. 2232568. Yay, the buyers finally got some money and they're buying stuff. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, I've rummaged the baskets. Let's take a look right over here. We had one other item I wanted to show you. These are, again, Artsy. And they are in a, like a polished, there's like 2 tones in each one, okay? One is like a gunmetal and the other one's like a scratched brass. They're $149, and these are the clip hooks, and they are 2219384. Not exactly sure what I would use them for. No idea.
They're kind of 10 holtzy.
But those are cool. So we got those. And the artsy metal tags. There are 4 tags in here. These are metal. They're 2.5 by 4 3/4 inches. They're pretty thick. These are $149 for the set of 4. And, of course, they're magnetic. 2219379. And then we got a lot of, like a lot of Christmas stuff in. That's like they're running it out. So, we'll have to come back. They only let me go through this stuff because they love me. So, that's pretty much what we got. See that? Mostly Bo Bunny and stuff down in here. And Echo Park stuff. More clips, more metal tags. Let's see if I can get my fat little hand right in here. Yep, metal tag, metal tag, metal tag. See the lengths I go to for you guys? Yep, yep, yep. And we got some Vicky Boutin pens. Envelope punch boards. Alright, now my curiosity is piqued. What is that? Christmas decorations. Alright guys, that's it. I have been through it all.
So, now that we saw the baskets, what did I actually buy? Well, I actually bought the sticky thumbs, the round dots, because let's face it, in nature there's no such thing as a right angle, and there's no such thing as a right angle in crafting. Everything's round and fluid and soft, and we like that look. So if you put a square sticky dot on it, it kind of shows, and I like the round ones. And certain brands of these, who shall remain nameless, they're hexagon shaped. Those ones, you can't get the tops off. They're a pain in the behind. These pop right off, no problem. I've never had an issue with them. The Sticky Thumb brand is great. These are from American Crafter. I don't like their glue, but I like their sticky dimensionals. So there's 275 in here for $1.99, 2232568. So I grabbed those. I got the keys, and I looked, guys, I looked really hard. You saw that. This was the only one that I found for $1.99, 2219401. And I bought these. I wanted to get another set so I could give it away, but this is the only one, and I'm keeping it. The other thing that I bought was this here. And this is from We Are Memory Keepers. This is a large bone folder. And I thought, for making books and stuff, this is like really nice because I can smooth down my book covers really well with it. And just make sure that I get complete coverage inside the book cover with the glue and everything. And get out any excess glue that's in there. And just generally use this for some of my larger products because I have about 8 bone folders, but I don't have a nice big one like this. So I bought this one, and that's all I bought. So, until the next time, guys, if you have not subscribed to me, please do so. And then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got sticky dots and some metal keys and a giant bone folder and a whole bunch of other stuff. Until I see you guys again, thank you so much. Bye-bye.